Oppo Enco X True Wireless Earphones with Active Noise Cancellation, Dynaudio Tuning launched. Oppo Enco X True Wireless Earphones have been launched, and are currently available in China for 999 Chinese yuans, approximately 11,000 rupees. The new True Wireless Earphones come with premium features, including active noise cancellation and wireless charging, and also feature sound tuning by Danish speaker manufacturer Dynaudio. The new True Wireless Earphones from Oppo are the latest in the Enco range, which includes the Enco Free and recently launched Enco W51, and is available in 3 color options, black, white, and green. Oppo Enco X price and launch details. For now, the Oppo Enco X is only available in China, priced at 999 Chinese yuans, approximately 11,000 rupees. However, the company could launch the new True Wireless Earphones in market in the coming weeks, particularly to take advantage of the festive season. Additionally, features such as active noise cancellation and wireless charging will appeal to buyers in this price range. Oppo Enco X features and specifications. The Oppo Enco X features active noise cancellation that uses a dual microphone system for the ANC functionality, while there are a total of 3 microphones on each earpiece which work for environmental noise reduction and voice capture. The charging case of the earphones supports USB Type-C wired and Qi wireless charging, with a claimed battery life of up to 4 hours of music listening with ANC on, and up to 20 hours with the charging case. For connectivity, the Oppo Enco X uses Bluetooth 5.2, with support for the SBC, AAC, and LHDC Bluetooth codecs. The LHDC Advanced High-Resolution codec isn't widely supported for now, but could come in handy when the earphones are used with compatible smartphones and source devices. There is also a low-latency mode which promises to reduce Bluetooth audio transmission delay to as low as 47 milliseconds. A key feature on the Oppo Enco X is the sound tuning, done in collaboration with Danish loudspeaker manufacturer Dynaudio. The earphones feature a dual-driver setup, with an 11mm moving coil driver and 6mm plain diaphragm driver in each earpiece. The Enco X earpieces are IP54 rated for dust and water resistance, as well as touch controls. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.